Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about Uranus. Well, not this Uranus, guys. We're talking about this one. Yeah, that's better. Uranus. So, Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous, cyan coloured ice giant. Most of the planet is made of water, ammonia, and methane in supercritical phase of matter, which in astronomy is called ice or volatiles. So, Uranus is in fact a ice giant. Like um, Jupiter and Saturn, they are gas giants, but Uranus is ice giant because it's mostly made of water and ice. So, these are what we're going to be talking about today of Uranus. Guys, I really hate that word. Why couldn't they pick a better name than Uranus? So this is what we're going to talk about today. Atmosphere, surface, tilt, and of course the moons. We're only going to talk about 3 moons today, not all 5. But there are a lot more than 5 moons actually in Uranus, but we'll talk more about it later. So first, we're going to talk about atmosphere. So, the planet's atmosphere has a complex layered cloud structure and has the lowest minimum temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius out of all the solar system planets. So it's actually the coldest planet in the solar system. So now we're going to talk about the surface. As an ice giant, ice, not gas, Uranus doesn't have a true surface. The planet is mostly swirling fluids. While a spacecraft would have nowhere to land on Uranus, it wouldn't be able to fly through its atmosphere unscathed either. The extreme pressures and temperatures would destroy a metal spacecraft, not graft, spacecraft, for goodness sake. How stupid am I? So, um, uh, because of the gravity, it wouldn't be possible to escape from the surface again if it had one. And if it went into the Uranus, it would destroy in an instant because of the extreme gravity and pressure. So, next, the tilt. The tilt of Uranus. So, Uranus is the only planet whose equators is nearly at the right angle to its orbit, with a tilt of 97.77 degrees, possibly the result of a collision with Earth-sized object long ago. This unique tilt causes the most extreme seasons in the solar system. So the tilt of Uranus is nearly at the right angle, as you can see on the artwork here of Uranus comparing with Earth. The tilt is almost like this, and as you can see this red dot over there, this is the comparison size of Uranus with Earth. So from Earth it looks like a dot on Uranus. So this is probably why Uranus is classified as one of the most weirdest planet in the solar system. It is the coldest planet in the solar system and is also one of the biggest tilts in the solar system with the most extreme seasonal changes. So moving on now, the moons. But like I said earlier, we're only going to talk about 3 moons because I don't want to make the video too long and too boring. So first we're going to talk about Titania. The Titania, also designated Uranus 3, is the largest of the moons of Uranus and the eighth largest moon in the solar system at a diameter of 1,578 kilometers, with a surface area comparable that of Australia. It was discovered in 1787 by an astronomer called William Herschel. So Titania is the largest moon in Uranus and is also designated as Uranus 3. So next, Oberon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, guys, but if I'm not, please leave a comment below. I'll appreciate that. So, oh, sorry, Oberon is the outermost major moon of the planet Uranus. It is the second largest, with a surface area that is comparable to the area of Australia, and the second most massive of the Uranian moons and the ninth most massive moon in the solar system. It was also discovered in 1787 by an astronomer called William Herschel. Yeah, same astronomer who also discovered Titania. So next we're going to talk about Umbriel. If I'm also not pronouncing this name wrong, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. So now, Umbriel is the moon of Uranus. It consists mainly of ice with a substantial fraction of rock and may be differentiated into a rocky core and an icy mantle. The surface is the darkest among Uranian moons and appears to have been shaped primarily by impacts. It was, excuse me, guys. It was discovered on October the 24th, 1851, by an astronomer called William Lassell. So this is one of the darkest moons in Uranian moon group. I don't know how else to call it because I'm stupid and mourn. So next, where's Uranus? Sorry guys, not this Uranus. We're not talking about where is your Uranus. We're going to talk about where is Uranus in the night sky. This one, guys. I'm sorry. We're going to talk about this Uranus, okay? So, so now I'm going to take you to the star map. Star map, yes, that's the word I was looking for, guys. So, excuse me, guys. Here we go. So, this is where Uranus is, guys. In my location, Izmir, at 8:30 in the evening, Turkey time. Uranus is located very close to Taurus and also very close to the Seven Sisters as well, also known as Pleiades, which is an open cluster in the that we see in the outer space in our night sky. But Uranus is located at right ascension 3 hours 7 minutes and 36 seconds, and for declination is 17 degrees north, 17.15 degrees north exactly. So so now you know where the Uranus is in the night sky, but I must tell you, if you want to see Uranus, it is not possible to look at it with the naked eye. You have to use a very, very powerful telescope to be able to see Uranus. Same for Neptune as well. So unfortunately, it is what it is. we can't change it. I can't change it. I can't bring the planet Uranus closer to our planet, so just so we can see it better with naked eye. But if you want to see Uranus, you need a very strong telescope. And the location of Uranus, you know already, is right there in front of you. So let's go back to the presentation now. So in the next video, you're probably wondering what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about Neptune. So Neptune will be the next video. Will be the next planet to talk about in the next video, guys. So this is it for today. Let's get back to the camera bit. There we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful evening tonight, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheerio.